Well, the crypto markets are in a sea of blood red. Yes, I realize that's a very graphic visual, but if I refresh this, yeah, we're at down 4.9%. Now, when I started recording, we were only down about 3.5%, and it's definitely dropping, and it's been continuing to drop. So, as of the recording of this video, that's what they were at 4.9, almost 5, basically 5%. Bitcoin and Ethereum dropping accordingly, 3.9. Bitcoin not dropping as aggressively, if you will, as Ethereum. Okay, but here's the thing. I'm going to tell you exactly why this is dropping. There's two reasons. Okay, first reason is that we've got I love this word. We've got hawkish Fed comments. Here's the thing. This is nothing new. The Federal Reserve has come out and said that they are going to be reducing their balance sheet even more. They're going to stop injecting as much liquidity or stop injecting liquidity. They're going to raise their interest rates again, probably in the May meeting that's coming up. All things we've already known, okay? But yet, it's being talked about. It's made all the financial news, and it's got everybody spooked. But oh, by the way, we already knew all this. There's nothing new here, okay? Nothing to look at, folks. Move along, right? Also, we've got, where is that? Or right here. We've got Bitcoin slips on, quote, regulatory concerns. Again, nothing new here. Move along, folks, if you will. But we do have we do have regulatory efforts across both Europe and USA. We've got things going on like the EU coming out and trying to and basically looking to put regulations in place for when you're trying to move money out of like a centralized exchange like KuCoin or Crypto.com or Coinbase and move it into a DeFi wallet like MetaMask. They're trying to put blocks around that, like we have to fill out all this documentation and all this kind of stuff. There's a lot of this kind of stuff. Regulatory concerns are dragging everything down. So the Fed plus the regulatory, it's continued narrative, right? It's a continued thing. It's just here, and it's continue. And it's just like, why can't we just, move on here, right? I mean, and I'm not really talking about the us and you. I'm talking about just like, let's just, get some closure on this and get this done, okay? And then thirdly, and kind of around all of this, we've obviously got, the Russia-Ukraine war and, blah, blah, blah. And I'm not minimizing the war, okay? What I'm minimizing is the effect it's having on the overall market. So again, the war is horrific. It shouldn't have happened, and it's just not. It's horrible. But the effect that everything's kind of having is just this wet blanket on crypto and stocks and everything like that. And it is what it is, and that's where we're at right here, right now, guys. Okay, so don't expect a lot of movement. In fact, we might even have more move down. And if you look, the only real gainer that's going right now is Steppen, which is a new-ish crypto that's out, which it has to do with it's tokenizing, basically like an app to get up off the couch and go walk, and you get incentives and things of that nature. So that's a pretty cool project. But look at this. CeeLo is down 16%. Thorchain, FractShare, 16, 17, Waves, etc. We've got some that are down 16, 15%. But it's not too bad. Not like they're really like down 30, 40%, okay? And these are in the top 100s, by the way. But right here, right now, let's see if it's moved down a little bit more. No, we're still holding steady at 4.9. So fully expect us to be here. We've got all this kind of just in play. It is just, a sea of red. As always, I appreciate you. Thank you for your support of myself, my channel, my videos. If you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button so you get notified when I release new videos. I appreciate you. Have a good one. See ya.